Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Audio blowout review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this offer called audio blowout. So this is an audio blowout review. This is a PLR offer, as you can see here. So it says get unrestricted PLR private label rights to more than 19,000 plus audio tracks for penny each. Massive audio library covering music, intros, loops, ambient and sound effects, many more. A variety of genres are covered, including acoustic, ballad, celebration, chill, classical. I have no idea what all these categories mean, but I just understand it's a background music. Okay, so you will be getting access to the background music, ringtones, audio tones, whatever you would like to call them. So you might have seen some videos in which you have background music and you might see some text on top of the video, or maybe somebody is talking. For example, in this video which you're watching right now, this review, my video, in this video you are only listening to my voice. I do have the choice. I can put some annoying background music or maybe pleasing background music, so that you can listen to the audio background music as well as my voice. Okay, so some people do that. They do use background music. So if you are making your own YouTube videos, or you are some kind of freelancer who creates these kind of promotional videos for your clients, and you need some copyright free music and audios, then you may want to go and check out this PLR offer. And once you come on a sales page, you can listen to these sample audio tracks. You can see here these are all those tracks which I will not play, but you can come onto the sales page. You may not find the link below my video, but once you are on this page, as you can see here, play these audios, listen to themselves. These are only sample sounds, and you will be getting 19,000 plus. Okay, and this will only cost you around $17, 16.83 as of now. It might increase, it might decrease, I have no idea. It says this is a limited time offer and may get taken down at any time. Well, I don't believe that, but yes, you can buy this as soon as possible. And then take a look at some licensings here. So you can rebrand this and sell as your own product. That's good. You can add the product as a bonus to your existing product. Okay, you can do it as an upsell, I guess, or maybe downsell. You can use the product for affiliate promotion. Okay, you can add, mix and match the product. So technically you can do anything. Let's see what you cannot do. So you cannot sell or distribute this product across platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo or ClickBank. So you cannot list this product as your own on these websites. You cannot sell or distribute this product across free or paid membership site that is specialized in distribute. So you cannot add this to any PLR website. Okay, so just use it for your own purpose. And if you have your own YouTube channel, or you have your own email list, then you can sell them as your own brand. Okay, as your own PLR. Okay, but yeah, you can't sell this on public platforms such as Warrior Plus and JVZoo. And 30-day money back guarantee, this and that. And then you have these question and answers. So refund policy, how will I receive my order? You will get the details. Where can I get help? You can contact their support desk. And refund is through Warrior Plus, they're saying. But by the way, do not buy this if you don't want this. I mean, what's the need of refund? Okay, I do not believe in the concept of refund. If you want this, then get it. Otherwise, don't get it. Don't bother yourself, the vendor and everybody with the refund. Okay, only buy if you want. Otherwise, nobody's forcing you, right? So don't buy if you don't want it. Only buy if you want it. And it's quite clear what are you going to get out of this. You will be getting only and only some audio background music which you can use. There will be copyright free music you can use either into your own personal video, personal projects or videos, or you can use it for your clients if you're a freelancer. And that will cost you like $17 only. Let's talk about the OTOs here. So the first upgrade is Blowout. Okay, in this I guess you will be getting 20,000 extra audio tracks. Ultimate PLR membership will cost you this much. Now this will give you, I guess, 19.90 per month or 197 maybe one time. Okay, so you will have to check the details once you buy the front end. So once you will pay them 17 bucks, then you will be taken to the upgrades 1 and 2. Check out the features on those pages and then decide if you want these upgrades or not. There are no, not many, there are not many upgrades here, only a couple of them, as you can see. So 1 2 3 4, which means this is the downsell, and this is the this is the downsell again. So you have only 2 upgrades. Anything else do we have here? Not really. So that's it. Okay, quite straightforward, quite clear. If you want these audios, go and get it. But if you are here for something else is what? Like, for example, why am I doing these reviews? Okay, I have no reason to do these reviews. The only reason I'm doing this because I want you people, whosoever is landing on my channel by mistake or somehow, or YouTube is showing you my video and you got my video, you found my video somehow, then you will have to listen to me now what I'm gonna say. Okay, these reviews are only excuses. These reviews are not actually I want to do, but I do it because this is how I find you or you find me. This is how, okay, this is how we come in contact. Okay, because what I'm gonna say now could change your life if you take action. Now, I'm not sure if you are here interested in making money online, or you wanted to buy this audio blowout. I have no idea how did you find this video, but my channel is about making these videos, review videos, and helping people, or not helping, is actually just telling you the truth. Okay, you have to help yourself first, because if you are not willing to help yourself, nobody else can help you. Okay, so I'm not here to help you or something, but it's just that I will put everything right in front of you on the platter, and you can pick up whatever you feel like, or you can just leave it as it is. Okay, if you leave it as it is, life carries on. You are happy wherever you are, and I'm happy in making my money. Okay, so if you go below my YouTube channel, or rather this video, if you go below this YouTube video, you will find a couple of links here. The first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Okay, so okay, I am only going to show you 2 methods which makes real money. Okay, there are plenty ways to maybe earn little income here, little income there. It might come into your account, it might not. But what I'm talking about right now, it's definitely best. These are definitely best methods to make money on the internet. Right now, the first one says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Forex trading means that you do those currency exchange. Okay, for example, you might have heard about stock trading. You buy stocks, and when the price goes up, then you sell them. But here we are not going to talk about stock trading. We are only going to talk about forex trading. Forex trading means that you buy some currency at low price and you sell it at high price. It's quite simple, right? Buy low, sell high. But you do not have to understand anything what I'm talking about, because all of this thing will be done on autopilot. Okay, so if I show you my setup here, okay, you can see here profit loss 207, and I made this money in how many days? So let me check here. So 25th is today, and let me try to from Monday. Okay, so Monday 19th, and then today is what? Today is 15th, 25, right? So let's do this. Let's see how much money did we make from 19th to 25th, right? Press OK, and this is the same money. Okay, because this trading works from Monday to Friday only, and you can see here in the last 1 week, from 19th till 23rd, we made $207 on a, let's see, on a 585 account. Okay, so on Monday the balance was 385 or 370 something, and by Friday it has reached 585. Okay, so this happens when we buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay, so we do trading every week. And I'm sorry, we don't do trading, the software does. Okay, so we are using a software which does all this automation for us, and we will go and teach you everything inside this training program. So if you click on the first link below here and come on this page and enter your email address and the name, then click on unlock the syndicate, go to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be on the syndicate main page. Watch the video there and then take action. Okay, This training will help you to set up everything, and then also you will have to go and get that software, which we'll tell you in the training. And then we will set up the software here, and that software will start trading for you. Okay, so the way this works is that you will have to deposit some money into your brokerage account, and we will guide you everything in the training. And once you have that money, then using that money you start trading, and then the software will start making profits for you. For example, here you can see last week we made 207 and the deposit amount was around 370. Okay, so in 1 week we got profit. Now your profits will not be fixed. You might not exactly make what I have made. You could make less, you could make more, depending on the settings of the software, depending on the amount you deposit, and all of that is covered inside this training called the Syndicate. So go and check this out, and all of this will be done on automation using the software on autopilot, and you do not have to have any knowledge, because the training you will go through that will help you to set up everything on automation, and after that you don't really have to do anything. This software will be doing everything on its own. Okay, and what else do I have to show you? The next option, the next method is Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money manually. So manually means that you will have to do exactly what I am doing, get into affiliate marketing and come and make YouTube videos, and in your YouTube videos you can sell your own product or somebody else's product and make some commissions. Okay, so this Traffic Jarvis will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel, because you need those requirements if you want to monetize your YouTube channel. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, and then get your YouTube channel monetized within 30 days. And it's all about mastering YouTube. It's all about affiliate marketing. So if you want to replicate what I'm doing, then go and get Traffic Jarvis. This will require you to work manually, but it works. It might not make you rich like next day, but everybody is doing it. It's not only me who's making YouTube videos. You go on YouTube, everybody else is also doing reviews. They're also giving you some bonuses. They're also making some sales, and that's how they're surviving. Okay, so if you want to get into affiliate marketing, you will have to work a lot of work will be required. So I am doing both things right now. As you can see here, I have time, because when I am using this autopilot forex trading, it's this thing is working in the back end, and today is Sunday when I'm recording the video, so it doesn't work. The forex market does not work on Saturday, Sunday. So we have like 4 or 5 days in the week, and this machine keeps working in the back end. So technically I'm free. I am free all the week. Free means that I have time to come and make these YouTube videos. Okay, so I'm doing two things together because I have time, and you will also have time. You will have to just go through and set up this machine which will do forex trading for you, and you will be just making profits. Okay, and whatever time you have, you may come and make YouTube videos or start your channel if you want to. Otherwise, this machine will make money for you anyway. Okay, so go and check out these links and subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, then you can click on super thanks. However, subscribe is free, like is free, do that. So this audio blowout, it's a good offer for people who need to maybe serve their clients, make videos on a daily basis. They have to complete their projects. Go and check them out. You may not find the link below my video, depending on its Christmas holidays. Okay, anyways, but if your end goal is only to make money on the internet, then go and check out these couple of links below, and this will surely help you to start your make money online journey. And now I will explain you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail now. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.